And the IFTA goes to Stephen Ray.
Thank you. It's worth it for a kiss from Amy. I really wasn't expecting to get this because apparently I got it last year and I wasn't here to receive it. So I want to thank you for last year and to remember the late, great Frank Deasy, much missed, who wrote Fathers and Sons. And the writer I have to thank this year for a beautiful role is Barry Simner. I'd like to thank the producers, Jane Gogan, Claire Allen, Rob Percy, for realising that Popular Slot is a good place to put something as interesting and as important as this. I'd like to thank the actors, Owen MacDonald, Ruth McCabe, and most of all, I'd like to thank my dear friend, Thaddeus O'Sullivan, who is, as always, quietly amazing. Thank you.